one sunny day, kids came running out to play. Let's build something big and fast, a roller coaster that will last. They grabbed some boxes, wood and tape, cut them into a twisty shape. Up it went so tall and bright, a zigzag track of pure delight. They painted tracks in red and blue, added sparkles, glitter too. Screwed the wheels nice and tight, ready to roll, hold on tight. First went Sam with a happy cheer, zooming down without a fear. Then came Mia, laughing wide, woohoo! What a super slide! Oh, oh, oh. Round the bend and up they glide, through the tunnel side to side. The garage echoed with giggles loud. Best DIY coaster, they told the crowd. When the sun began to dip, they took one last speedy trip, packed their tools and cleaned